Here's a beautiful Model A, just in at Unique Specialty and Classics. Model A Roadster pickup. And this one is in nice condition. Has had a frame off restoration. This is all steel, steel fenders, boards, body, of course with the exception of the wood that's in the bed. Now this particular one is still powered by the 201 cubic inch L-head inline 4-cylinder underneath the hood. And of course that's paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. This one does have the 2-speed rear end. See the lever for that in the car. We take a look at the interior. Now this has also been converted to 12-volt system. It does have electric start. A radio has been added to the interior of this. Now speaking of the interior and under the hood, if you want to check out the still pictures of this car, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. There's probably 80-90 pictures of this car from the underside of the car, under the hood, interior. So go ahead and check them out. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, phone number 507-386-1726. Feel free to call us. We can help you out with this one. Another cool feature on this vehicle I noticed, underneath the hood on this side, passenger side, running off the exhaust, there is a Fulton like whistle horn. It's kind of cool, and we fire it up. I'll show you how that works also. This car does run and drive nicely. We have driven around the showroom here in the parking lot and out back, so it does run and drive. Be a nice one for parades, that type of thing. And with a 2-speed rear end, also help it out. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this vehicle to where you're located at. Now when I come around to the back, it's got the sideboards on it. They kind of go in the stake pockets, if you will. Stainless is a nice shape back here. You have this custom chest, toolbox, depending on what you want to consider it. Now that will come out. It'll also adjust back and forth. As you can see, it has the track in the bed of this, and you have the bolts right here and right here, and those will go through the wheels to secure the wheels. So you can see that there. So if you took those out, you could slide that all the way out if you wanted just the box empty, or you could slide it up to the front and put that chest in a different area. So kind of a cool setup there, nice little track system to it. And remember, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Once again, phone number 507-386-1726. You can see the nice luster in the paint. Kind of check out what kind of condition the paint's in. This truck does look as good in person as it does in the pictures and video. Of course, you had the dual side mounts. Remember, one from the passenger side, driver's side here, so dual mount spares. The top is in very nice shape also. There's still pictures of that with it up. Check out the interior door panels, very nice shape. Storage compartment. Plastic is good on that. So the vinyl in the seats, free of wear and tear, rips. Rubber flooring. Again, restored vehicle. Very nice shape. So let's go ahead and fire this up. Let you hear it run. Here's that remote stereo system. It's just a power on button. And speakers under the seats, the way it sounded when I had it working earlier. So there is a switch for gas right there, so that is on. This little pull here will be for that exhaust horn I was talking about. The starter, of course, is on the floor. Alright, there's a little gauge cluster, all in a nice shape, paint in the dash, everything in nice shape. can hear how smooth this runs. I'm going to idle it down just a tad bit. I'm going to show you that horn here in a second too. So there's the pull for the horn. Obviously I speed up the idle a little bit, get a little more exhaust. We'll change that horn sound. Kind of cool. Alright, slip around to the back. You hear how smooth that purrs. Nice runner, good sounding engine. I'm going to pause this video a second. I want to pop the hood so you can check out this engine base. You know, nice and clean and tidy it is. Alright, got both sides of the hood up here. Get a peek at this engine. So again, 201 cubic inch. Hellhead inline 4-cylinder. Nice and smooth that's running. And again, converted to 12-volt system. And look at the bright work up here in the front too. Chrome, all in nice shape. This car will not disappoint any of your local shows, cruises. Have some fun with this one. Here's that horn I was talking about. The horn setup. There you have it. 1928 Ford Model A pickup Roadster. What a beauty. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to the pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course we can assist you in getting this truck to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you.